All right, you two. So we actually made it to the last client of the day here. We have this Mercedes GLE 350. Now, I'm by myself. Victor went ahead and left me for the rest of the day. He had some stuff he needed to take care of, so just gonna go ahead and pressure wash these floor mats out. You can see under the carpet's not that bad. They have kids, so you know kids get a little crazy in the back seats, man. They have a blast back here. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do a pretty, good thorough clean on this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and wash and wax the exterior. This van is pretty new though, so it won't need too much. Just the vacuum will do it all, take care of everything for us. So yeah, I'm just getting set up and stuff out here. We're at the office, the work location, so we're gonna go ahead and wash this stuff off, make it look nice and clean, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Now, since I am by myself, I won't be able to record everything for you guys, but yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy. It's a little humid, it's thundering and stuff, and I hope it doesn't rain on us, but nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and start this detail. And yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get into this work. Alright, so I'm gonna just take you guys along with me throughout this detailing process. Now, we are gonna do the interior and the exterior for this job, and this is supposed to be a maintenance detail, but as you guys can see, it was in pretty bad shape. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start removing all and every floor mat in the vehicle, as well as any trash or anything like that. Basically just trying to get it set up so I can get to vacuuming and get to detailing. So you guys are gonna see here, I'm vacuuming the seats and stuff like that because it was pretty dirty. They had a lot of gum and candy and stuck between the seats there. So I just decided, you know what, just to be a little more quick and have more efficient time, let me just go ahead and vacuum up the carpet, and then just wipe down the seats and stuff like that, just so I don't have to go back and do it all over again. You get what I'm saying? So I did everything I had to on this one section here, and then I went ahead and repeated that all over the vehicle. Now, I didn't record everything else, but I did record this section here, which I feel shows exactly, it shows enough, and it shows exactly what I'm doing with the entire detailing process. Alright, so now it's time for me to start on the exterior. We finished the interior detail already in vacuum. Now it's time to go ahead and spray these floor mats down with some degreaser, let it sit, let it work into these floor mats and kind of break up the dirt and gum and candy that was stuck on them. So we just sprayed them down and sat them down on the floor there, and then we just focused and sprayed them at the end of the detail. Alright, so these wheels were pretty bad, honestly. I had to clean them a few times just because they were that bad. So what I'm spraying there is wheel acid. You probably are getting the hang of the detailing procedure as of now if you're watching all of my videos. But yeah, we spray acid wheel cleaner first just to get off that dirt, man. You can see it on the floor there. If you look closely, you can see the dirt falling right off. Now the rims look clean, but they're really not, and especially inside the wheels, inside the rim area, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow it up with some degreaser here. Now the degreaser that I use is Stinger. I think it's called like Super Cleaner or something like that, and it works good. Well, it works good enough. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean the inside of the wheels real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the wheels. And like I said, it was pretty bad. It was pretty dirty, so I had to do a few rounds of this. And I actually like this tool, not this blue one that I'm using here, but I like using this wheel Woolly, I think it's called, or something like that. I remember watching Chicago Auto Pros, and they were using it, and ever since I just picked them up. And I don't know why I didn't use it at first, but then I realized, like, hey, I can use it because the wheel Woolly isn't optimal for every rim, because if it does get caught up in like the rotor or something like that, it'll pull off some of that fabric, or you know what I'm saying. Like, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to explain, but it kind of gets stuck on the rim, and then if you pull it, back, it kind of just tears off the fibers on the actual tool that you're using there. But this thing cleans very good, and I like how it doesn't splash or anything back, and I recommend you guys pick it up or anything like that. I'll probably try my best to link it down below for you guys. Alright, so nothing special here. I have my Chemical Guy Citrus Wash and Gloss, or I think it's actually called, yeah, I think it's called Citrus Wash and Gloss. So this is a green soap there, and I mixed it with some pink soap I had here at home. I don't know if that's something that majority of people do, but I just did it for this instance here. I just wanted some extra wax, extra soap on this detail, just because it was black and it was just pretty dirty. I didn't want to have to degrease it down, if that makes sense. So I just added as much soap as possible, so that way I can have some wiggle room with adding a little bit of pressure to get those bugs and stuff like that off the vehicle. I didn't want to use the degreaser just because it was pretty sunny and I didn't want it to dry up on me. So I just went ahead and foamed it down, washed it, and we did not clay bar it. So we just washed it, rinsed it down, and then you guys are gonna see here me using Shock It, which is basically a ceramic spray wax. And then the video would just end there. But if you guys learn something or pick up any of these products, they'll all be linked down below, so you guys can increase your guys value and increase your detailing quality. Make sure you guys check out the products down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, this is going to be the end of the video. You guys are going to see me drying it off with ceramic spray wax. It's something that I do. I just might as well two birds one stone. Spray it on the car, dry it off, and just call it a day. Add some tire shine and everything like that. I also ended up spraying it on the rims, just because I felt like it was good to just add some protection on them, because when I came this time around, it was terrible to clean them off. So maybe next time it'll be a lot easier. But go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hustle never settle. I will catch you guys in the next one, and like I said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Let's go.